Gotta hate it when you strip the knob on the barbecue. Such a downer. They're so expensive to replace. I figured out a way to repair them in a way that's pretty lasting using this stuff, plastic weld. It's amazing. It's a putty, and you just knead it up until it feels a little bit warm and very pliable. And create a little cylinder, stick it in the wounded hole, and simply just place it back on the barbecue. Make sure it's pushed in really, really well. Let it set, and you should be good to go. Place it back on the barbecue and give it a test. Magic. Saved myself about 50 bucks. Gotta like that. Hope it works for you.